bottles in one night. I get it, bitch, act right. Act right, act right. Money don't fold, is it act right? Act right, act right. Nigga playing games, get that act right. I'm going, back to the bay. Rest in peace, Mac Dre. I'm a street nigga, all I do is talk, yeah. Want me in your city, nigga, know they gon' pay. I ain't looking for a free throw, looking for a free co. Cuban link chain on my neck, weigh a kilo. Nigga just violated, piss dirty to his P.O. On a real nigga scale, 1 to 10, you a 0. Act right, get your life change.
The big bag of the hot ones, you have the big bag? The big bag, and then the cashier's like, yes. The cashier's like, yes, I had the big bag, And I'm like, where's it at? Where's the big bag at? Where's the big bag? Then the cashier's like, okay, I'll show you right now, I'll show you. So he walked, he's like, go over here, he's like, go over here and check the aisle behind that, check the aisle behind the candy, check the aisle behind the candy. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go check. So I walked and I checked the aisle that were behind the candy, and I saw right there. I'm like, yes, they have it. They have the hot Cheetos. 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 Yes, 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 yes. So I grabbed the hot Cheetos. I grabbed them. Then I walked, and I told the cashier, I'm like, I want you to ring me. I want you to ring me already. The cashier's like, are you sure you want me to ring you? You want nothing else? Right? No, just ring me already. Just ring me. And the cashier's like, are you sure? Are you sure you don't want something to drink? I'm like, no, just ring me. Ring me. And I'm like, okay. I told the cashier, I'm like, okay, wait, guys, I have a scratch. Okay, guys, so I told the cashier. I'm like, okay, give me a minute. I'm gonna go tell the guy if he wants something to drink. And then the cashier's like, okay, I'll wait for you. I'm like, and then I told the cashier, I'm like, okay, just wait for me. So I walked outside, and I told the guy that was standing outside, I told him, what type of drink do you want? And the guy's like, give me Sprite. I'm like, are you sure you want Sprite? And the guy's like, yes, give me Sprite. I'm like, are you sure you want Sprite? Are you sure? The guy's like, yes, I told you 3 times already, give me Sprite. I'm like, okay. Just be quiet already. I'll get you. I'll buy you the Sprite. So I'm like, just wait right there. I'm like, just wait right there. So I walked inside. Then I opened the door to get the Sprite. Then I grabbed it. Then I told the cashier, I'm like, here, this is the soda I want to buy. And the cashier's like, okay, Bus Rocky. I'm gonna ring you already. Bus Rocky. I'm like, yes, just ring me already. And the cashier's like, okay, Bus Rocky, okay. I heard you already. Bus Rocky, I heard you. I'm gonna ring you, Bus Rocky. I'm like, okay, just ring me already. So the cashier ringed me. He ringed me, and then he scanned the hot Cheetos. Then he scanned the Sprite. And then the cashier's like, do you want a bag? I'm like, no, I don't want no bag. And the cashier's like, are you sure you don't want no bag? I'm like, no, I don't want no bag. And the cashier's like, are you sure you want no bag? I'm like, no, I don't want no bag. I'm like, no. And I told the cashier, I'm like, here, give me it. So I grabbed the Sprite and the hot Cheetos. I grabbed them. Then I went outside, and I told the guy that was waiting outside, I'm like, here's the Sprite and here's the hot Cheetos. And the guy that was waiting outside, he's like, yes, thank you, Bus Rocky. I'm like, okay, yes. I'm like, okay. Grab it already. And the guy was standing outside. He's like, okay, I'm gonna grab it. So he grabbed it, and then he opened it. Then he ate one. He's like, oh. I'm like, yes, 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 yes. And the guy was standing outside there like, they're so good. They're so good. They're so good. They're so good. I'm like, yes, hot Cheetos are good. What do you expect? What do you expect? Hot Cheetos are really good. Like I said, yeah, that's what I expected. That's what I expected. That's what I expected. That's what I expected. I'm like, yes, yes. What do you expect? Hot Cheetos are really good. Hot Cheetos are really good. Like I said, yes, 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 yes. Like I said, he's like, thank you, Buzz Rocky. Thank you for buying me the hot Cheetos and the Sprite. Thank you, Buzz Rocky. I'm like, yes, yes, yes. I'm like, yes, okay. So I shake this hand. I shake this hand. I went like this. I went like that. I shake this hand. I went like this and like that. And I'm like, peace out already.
On a pinky toe, heard you with a shooting guard. Just let a nigga know I would have you courtside, not the middle row. All good love in a minute though. I can't stress about no bitch cause I'm a timid soul. Plus I'm cooking up ambition on the kitchen stove. Pot start to bubble, see the suds, that shit good to go. Whole sound suave, but I can't get recode. Bro think he John Wayne, I bought him Yellowstones. Love the way they hang, babe. For the silicone, everybody fake now. You could crack the code, bust down everything. Set in rose gold, dread talking to you niggas.